In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit money in Exness. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move funds into your trading account safely and efficiently, with a few practical tips to avoid common hiccups. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Exness. From the results, locate the official website. Look for the secure padlock icon in the address bar and make sure the URL is correct before proceeding. This helps you avoid phishing pages that mimic the real site. Once you're on the home page, consider bookmarking it so you can return quickly in the future. Next, click through to the site and head to the login area. Enter your credentials and sign in to your personal area. If you use two-factor authentication, complete that step as prompted. Make sure you're on a private connection and avoid public Wi-Fi when accessing financial accounts. Once logged in, you should see your dashboard with your trading accounts and key actions. From your account menu or dashboard, select the deposit option. This is where all available funding methods for your region and account type are listed. If you have more than one trading account, double-check you're depositing into the correct one to keep your balances organized. Now choose your preferred deposit method from the options provided. Common choices include online bank transfer, bank cards, e-wallets like PayPal, and cryptocurrencies such as USDT, BTC, or ETH. Availability can vary by country and account currency. Bank transfers may take longer due to banking hours, while cards and e-wallets are often faster. For cards, the name should match your account details. With crypto, make sure you select the correct network and wallet address, as blockchain transfers are irreversible. Some methods may have limits or fees, so review the notes shown on screen. Enter the amount you want to deposit. Pay attention to the minimum and maximum limits for your chosen method and the currency being used. If a conversion is involved, the platform may show an estimated rate. This can affect the final amount credited. Confirm the figure before moving on. Finally, follow the on-screen steps to confirm the transaction. You may be redirected to your bank or e-wallet to authorize the payment, or asked to enter a one-time passcode. Don't refresh the page during processing. Once completed, you'll see a confirmation message. Funds can arrive instantly or take some time, depending on the method. Check your account balance and transaction history for the update. Save any receipt provided, and if anything seems delayed beyond the stated time frame, contact support with your reference number.